How to set up and manage your T-Mobile ID. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to your application T-Life or T-Mobile. Wait for a while for it to load. Once loaded, it will land you on the page where you will be able to log in into your account. Simply enter your email address or phone number and then click on Next. Enter the password of your account. Once you have been logged into your account, you will land on the home page of T-Mobile app. If you do not have an account, then you simply need to create one by clicking on Sign Up. Once created, log in into your account. Once done, head over to the settings option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings, you will be able to see tons of different options. Move into that options and manage your ID according to your need. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.